Saan tayo pupunta?
Baseball.
Saan yung ba na? Paglang!
Sasakot mo. Mag-gym.
Gym. Gusto mo, umpisang ko lang sa'yo.
Tricycle driver. Sama-sama mo.
Bawa, tapos nung ako yung naasar mo kanina.
Mga magigiting kaya mga taxi ay mga tricycle driver kasi kahit mga araw kailangan nilang kumita para sa pamilya nila. Tapos ibabash mo yung suot ko. Sama!
Ikaw nagsabing tricycle driver.
Masama! Divorce. Joke lang. Maganda.
Nagdala talaga ako ng pag-crochet. Sakto, maghapon pala yung game mo. 3 games daw siya ngayon.
Super lapit lang pala eh.
3 minutes na lang.
At the light, turn left onto Service Road West, then turn left.
Third point where?
Di ba tayo dadaan? Ayun, dito na tayo sa gilid ng bridge.
Take the next left, and your destination will be on the left.
May naka-pink. May tubig sa gilid doon. May doggy. Ginawa niya lang yung chair. Ang lamig ng hangin. Okay, maaga pa eh. May border collie dun. Ang cute.
Ako hindi ka sa kabila.
Di ba mainit?
Hindi kasi.
Ay, madami na.
Kasi nagbabato dito mga kamay.
Nalaro na sila. Pwede, magsusstart na.
Yeah, I might play Wednesdays with
Like second card, di ka lang.
when they don't make it.
Bago, grabe. May hangin na may kasamang chunky. Bantot. Start na pala sila. Tikita, pero siya yung bato. Run, Tato. Oy, dito. Go, run, run, run. Happy na. Whoop. Strike. I think. Na-costume siya ng bacon. No, what happened? Cute ng border collie, yung takbo-takbo sila. Kung ma-video na kaya. Ito naman siya pagpwesto. Sure. Magkakaaraw na, medyo nagwa-warm na. Tapos na yung game. First game done. Ito kaming teenies.
Continue on Ontario 20 for 4 kilometers.
Ang tagal lumabas ng araw. Nag-11.
Diyan ay araw kaso maglang. Thank you.
Dito kami sa gas station. Di ba ba naman bibili? Papagas lang ata siya. Kain na ako. Plain croissant. Croissant! Naimis ko na yung sponge bread. Not bad. Ganda daw yung healthy na tinapay, yung may butas-butas. Medium vanilla, French vanilla. Ito kay Papi.
Bili yan sana kita ng beef jerky.
Mm.
Masarap yun eh. Yung beef jerky. Kaso,
Bakit?
beef jerky. Bumili ako ng gum. May gum tayo.
Ang kapal ng box ng gum mo ah.
Akala ko yung kapal ng mukha mo.
Gusto mo yung sabihin ko?
Yes. Ako tato, bastusin mo ako paminsan-minsan lang.
Ginamit mo yung card ko ah. Doble bayad
Bastusin mo ako
nun.
paminsan-minsan lang. Pwede yun.
Sabihin ko ang kapal ng mukha. Ayaw.
Taturahin mo ako. Tangina mo, ganun.
Wow.
PJ, tangina mo. Pera ko yun eh.
Bad yun.
Uy, ah.
Change. Ito ko na ako. Nice catch. Pero na-videoan yung follow niya kanina. Maganda. Kinausap ko sa'yo nung matanda ka. Tapos na yata.
This is bottom, so they need bottom.
Yan na yung araw. Wala na clouds. Subs na.
No, I think it was a tie.
What's happening? Lawak. Ay, bumalik.
No, I didn't. Good job.
Nice, Tato.
Thank you for this one.
Yay.
I'll save my energy for when I'm running like this.
Nice. Run.
Hold up 3. 6 on 3.
Nice.
BJ, good hit.
DJ, you don't gotta move now.
Nice run, nice run.
6 on 3.
Just take some 2 games to warm up, eh?
Yeah.
Try Barbie won't work. Keep right there. Good job, Wendy!
That's it.
Came through.
Yes, Nicole.
Run!
Nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Yay! Nice one. He's tired.
Is that a 2X?
That's a 2.
That's hilarious.
Maybe it's Brad. That's right.
Come on, Donnie. Do it, buddy. Do it.
Hard and level, let's go. Yeah, well, that's
Oh,
oh my gosh, that's so nice.
Nice head kick. Go Will.
That's right, take the bus. Hey, back. No reaching back.
nice call.
Yeah.
Run!
Oh my God.
Who brought that guy? Somebody trip him. Come on, Dad. Oh!
It's running. It's running.
Fair. You called it fair.
Straighten her out. Straighten her out.
Yeah.
Run!
Run it. Nice try, guys. Brody came in.
Two scored there.
There are 2 out, right?
Yeah, 2 out. We just have 2 in.
Whoa!
What's the score?
Did you not want the sweater coat? Oh, did she give you the jacket? Is that better? Oh, is that better?
Come on, home. Everybody home. Good job, Owen. Glad I wasn't on base.
That used to be at seconds, too. On a second.
Way to get her started.
Sir?
Oh!
Nice.
Doesn't even look like the same kid, to be honest. They look like.
What's that?
They look the same. Yeah.
Act funny, you wish you could.
There's a family at home is trying to look for a pop.
What? Hi.
They want small ones too. So.
Yeah. Can you say hi?
Hi. Hey, buddy. Come here.
She,
think she's tired.
when she gets excited.
No, she's pretty good. That's more guys. That's more something
Hi.
else.
Oh, the bot.
Maple,
The bot.
is maple weird?
Duck's hung.
Oh, yeah. The one.
Hey, you're so fluffy.
Yeah, I know.
Those ears. Oh, it's so cute.
Winnie.
Hey, Winnie. You're so cute.
I
Aw.
did show Tintin.
Bye. So cute.
Actually, in their book, they only had 5. I know. They only had 5 runs in their book. And then she's like, oh, we messed up. We have attitude. And then she goes, I said,
Tumas yung
and
bridge.
then you're saying that you have 7.
Look at that.
You weren't sure before, but now you're sure.
Should have went 3-0.
I asked that guy what he does for lunch. Because you're rude to me. You just said you messed up. You just said you.
Uwi na.
We won.
Kapag-breakfast ka na. Breakfast pa din.
Champions.
Alas 4 na.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh no, kumakawal yung border call.
Oh, ganun naman yung tayo niya ngayon. Cute din ang aso niya.
Ano kinakahulog niya?
I think that's Corgi.
Cute. Spider-Man eh. Spider-Woman.
Spider-ass daw.
Ayaw umupo para mapakita niya yung puwet. Kawawa. Kanina pa yung umaga nakatayo doon.
Tiis ganda daw ng puwet.
Tis ganda. Paano ka siya ihi? Hubarin niya lahat.
Ilang daw maganda sa kanya.
Kawawa naman. Kawawa.
Ay, mandalaki tayo pa.
Tama na. There's the bridge. Yun yung tumaas kanina. Galing nun. Tapos may pampabigat siya dun. Mas 4 na kaya lumalamig na naman eh. Kain na tayo. Saan tayo kakain tayo? PapiTofi. Hindi pa rin nawawala yung ano shades.
Pimple.
Hindi, yung salamin ko dark pa
Kala ko
din.
pimple.
Parang kahapon lang tong pimple na to eh, matagal pa to. Loko nung barko eh, ang haba eh no. Tapos medyo mabagal pa siya. Eh di ibig sabihin malalim to.
Yeah.
Oo. Bawal maligo dyan eh. Parang ano eh, Marikina River. Yung kulay.
Marikin.
May bata nga kanina dumaan eh, may dala siyang pambingwit, pangisda. Ganun.
Oh, yan nakita ko.
We're here.
Yeah.
Cute ng kotse yung kulay pink. Ayun oh, ganda. Badass. Ay.
Ano kayo mo soup?
Smells so
Diba? Gusto mo yung katulad ng last time.
pati yung ano, with rice and tapos na kami kumain. May take out pa.
Thank you, Mama.
Pagka potato, pera mo naman yun eh.
Not my money, your money.
Your money is my money.
Yes. My money is your money and your money is your money.
Yeah.
In 400 meters, turn right on Rice Road.
Saan tayo?
Uwi na.
Di na.
Pagod na ako eh.
Wala tayo dadaan ng Walmart, ha?
Gumasgas yung tuhod ko eh. Nag-dive ako doon.
Pakita natin yung picture. Send mo sa akin. Baka sana pa ito mapopost eh. Itong vlog na to. Next year pa.
Why?
Ang dami pa eh. Nasa November of 2024 pa lang ako.
Send mo sa yung video ko dati mga hits ko.
Tapos na siya. Let's try it on you.
I thought you were still getting the key.
You did see me?
Yeah, because I got annoyed.
You got annoyed? Oh, it fits! Yay! Perfect! You wanna see yourself?
Yeah. Yeah, I really know myself. How is it?
You like it?
Yeah. It does. Yeah, just need to take off it. Ah!
Yeah!
Okay, I'm gonna leave it here.
Why? You can take it with you.
I'm gonna play here.
When?
It's comfy.
Wait, let me get the shirt.
Hmm?
This one's clean. Let me get it.
What? That one's clean?
Yeah.
I'm clean.
I like playing games. Where did they go?
Well, no one wants to play with you.
Where are they? Nakauwi na kami. Pinakita ko lang yung ano kanina. Bago ko ibigay yung handmade ko. Kasi ito, meron akong yung lalagyan ng mga Pokemon. Yung isa, nilagyan ko na stitch mark, needles, tsaka tape measure. Tapos naisip ko, may dalawa pa ako dito. Lalagyan ko na kasi naka-plastic lang sila eh. Yung buksan talaga nito. Ito. Lalagyan ko niyan. Ito yung mga pin. Huwag lang siyang sasabog pag binuksan. Nain natin tong tags. Hindi ko nalalagyan ng tags yung mga owl. Kasi ang dami niya nang nakalagay. Pag nilagay ko dito, ang pangit. Pag nilagay ko sa likod, hindi kita. Diba? Four, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Tama. Ginagawa nga pala ako dito. Ito naman lagay dito. Lulata na ako dito. Wag lang tong matatapon. Wag lang tong mahuhulog bukas. Wag na. Tapos na, tatlong order.